sacrifice. Years passed by. God wanted to test Abraham's loyalty. So he said, "Abraham, offer your son Isaac to me as a sacrifice on the mountain that I will show you." Abraham was shocked, but he took his son and some chopped wood to the mountain God has showed him. After climbing the mountain, he prepared an altar. He then tied up Isaac and laid him on top of the chopped wood. As he took a knife to kill his son, an angel appeared. The angel said, "Wait, the God was just testing you and now knows that you are faithful." Just then, Abraham saw a ram tangled by its thorn in a nearby bush. He took the ram and put it in place of his son as a sacrifice for God. Then both went home. Isaac's marriage. Abraham wanted to get a wife for his son Isaac. So he sent his servant to search for a wife for his son. The servant took some camels loaded with gifts and started his journey to Mesopotamia. When he reached Mesopotamia, he saw the women of Mesopotamia filling their water jugs at the well. The servant decided to ask for a drink at the well, and the woman who would offer to water his camel would be the woman chosen by God to be Isaac's wife. A beautiful woman came to fill her jug at the well. She gave the servant water to drink and watered the camels as well. The beautiful woman's name was Rebecca. The servant told her about Isaac. Her father gave his blessings. Then Rebecca set out for Canaan with the servant. Isaac and Rebecca got married and lived happily. Jacob and Esau. Isaac and Rebekah had twin boys, Esau and Jacob. Rebekah loved Jacob more than Esau, who was to inherit everything after Isaac had died. But Rebekah and Jacob tricked Esau out of his inheritance. Esau was so angry that Jacob had to flee from Canaan. He decided to head for Mesopotamia. On the way, Jacob rested. He had a dream in which he saw a ladder leading to heaven, and angels were climbing down that ladder. He saw God standing beside the ladder. God said, "Jacob, you will have as many descendants as the sand particles on the ground." Jacob felt the land to be holy, so he poured some oil on the rock he had slept on and named it Bethel, the house of God. Later, Jacob had 2 wives, Rachel, who bore him 12 sons. He also became rich. When he returned to Canaan, both he and Esau reunited happily. The colorful coat. Out of Jacob's 12 sons, he loved Joseph the most. When he turned 17, Jacob gave him an expensive coat decorated with many colors. Joseph's brothers became jealous. Often Joseph would have wonderful dreams, and he could always tell what each dream meant. Once he told his brothers, I dreamt that all of us were tying up bundles of wheat that we had harvested. While mine was straight and tall, yours bowed to mine. Does that mean that you will rule over us? Questioned his enraged brothers. He soon had another dream, but this time the sun, the moon, and 11 stars were bowing down to him. He narrated this dream to his father, but Jacob became very angry and said,
You may be my favorite, but we will never bow down to you.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.